recipe is a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish, including a list of required ingredients. Today, our ingredients are simple: coffee, water, and an espresso machine. Our goal: to enhance the natural sweetness of the coffee. Let's talk about it. I hope all is well. Just letting you know that this is going to be the last test, at least for now, with finding sweetness with this Colombian coffee that I just got a couple of weeks ago. In this case, with espresso. So let's taste it. Acidity is there, tasty. Has a roundness around it too, which is pretty cool. I've done this a couple times to where I've tasted this coffee, did this different recipes and all that stuff. And truly what it's about seeing if I can get sweetness in coffee as an espresso in this case. It was about 12.6 grams of actual espresso coffee. I roasted it, I brewed it, I grinded it pretty fine. And then it was about 40 grams, 0.8 out. So this is a very long shot. And I think if I would have kept it shorter, it would have been more acidic, sour even. But I just wanted to come on here to let you know that espresso isn't my thing. And this challenge is different for me. And as you will see later on in the clips to come with this video, is that this is a good challenge for me because it's different, it's unique, it gets me out of my comfort zone. And the added pressure that I feel with it too is that I'm sharing it with you. Because I'm used to not doing that. I'm used to just doing my own thing and just figuring things out. And it's cool to be a little bit more honest and upfront with you about this. So, with that being said, I don't know where else we're gonna go with this coffee as an espresso. I know there's so many different ways and things that I can do as it relates to coffee brewing in general, right? But I think that's extremely helpful, and that's where you come into play. I would like any feedback, honest feedback, harsh feedback. It doesn't really matter because I'm here to grow and learn. And I hope that you are too. You know, I don't know everything. I barely know anything, right? But there are some things I do know, and I just want to get better at tasting coffee and presenting it to people in a way to where they understand what they're drinking along their journey in the coffee world, right? So, with that being said, I'm almost out of this espresso. It's about a month, a little bit month over. So since I roasted it. So yeah, so that's what we got going. Let me know what you think. Like I said earlier, I'm really trying to see what else we can do with this challenge. You know, if you just want me to just do giveaways, let me know. But this is a lot of fun. And like I said, it's a lot of challenging. And listen to the next clip because I get a little bit more vulnerable about the state and how I feel about this particular challenge and the things that I'm doing in regards to this YouTube channel. So let me know. I'm really trying to figure this out. I think that's the thing that I'm struggling with so much with this challenge is to really, what's the first step into really truly understanding what I'm trying to do with this challenge. I call it finding sweetness because this coffee is new and it does taste good. Well, I only tasted it as an espresso. And I did figure out that if I put a little bit more water into the cup and make the grind finer on this coffee, it does produce a more sweeter taste than all the other recipes that I've been doing. And I think that's the thing about it. It's about recipes. Recipes are things that we do in order to get an outcome that we're trying to get for. In this case, I'm looking for sweetness. And in this coffee, it's more acidic forward. So how do you carve that out? And I think in this case, the way I do it is to add more water. Of course, the grind is finer, so that's kind of interesting and weird that the way that works. I can't really pinpoint why that works the way it does, but it doesn't matter. If something works and you understand that you're getting the outcome that you want, that's all that matters, right? So that's the thing that I'm trying to really grasp and understand and keep going and to discover more of. You know, what are some of your recipes that you like to do? And not just espresso, but also in other coffee brewing techniques or whatnot, right? That's the thing that I'm really trying to understand and get to. And I'm still trying to figure out how this stuff will actually help me as a person, you know? I'll tell you a quick story of what happened to me yesterday. I was moving and grooving, doing my thing, packing up some coffee, and I was thinking about all the things that I've been doing in regards to this coffee roasting business, Amazon, podcasting, getting people interested in my YouTube, trying to kind of get an idea of what I'm trying to really do with that, right? And I'm very happy. I'm very focused, and I'm determined to do even more things. And I tripped and I messed up my ankle. And not to get too personal, but a couple years ago I did mess up my ankle. Not my ankle, my knee. And the biggest lessons that I learned from that was to slow down, was to truly, really slow down. And that is what happened to me yesterday. My ankle's a lot better. I'm able to do these videos and concepts and think about things and kind of get back onto my trajectory of really trying to get better. Yeah, it kind of just really make me pause and think about what do I truly really need to do. And I want these videos to be as helpful, as truthful as possible for you. And that's the thing that I'm really trying to understand of how I go about doing that. So my journey is what it is, and again, it's being very vulnerable with what I'm trying to say to you, because a lot of times I just operate in the dark. I don't need any motivation telling people what I'm trying to do. But since these videos are public and live, those are the things that I'm really trying to challenge myself. And I think that's part of the challenge that I'm really trying to understand and to give out to you. So let me know what you think about this. This is a weird, interesting way of going about making a video, but I do want to give back. I do want to provide actual value to you, not just guy talking about some random stuff. But I hope that it is kind of helpful, and bear with me, I'm getting better, I think so, and we'll see where it goes. So I don't know what the next video is going to be about. It's going to be, I believe it's going to probably be something of where I can truly really get out there and understand what sweetness really is. What does that mean in coffee? How do you really go about that? Is there a one size fits all type of situation here, to where if you kind of do the same recipe, you can actually present sweetness in a way that is always there? That's one of the things that I struggle and have hard times really understanding, because I believe my recipes present more of an acidic forward type of nature. And I'm here to change that. I want to get more of a balanced cup. So let me know what you do in order to create a balanced cup. How do you introduce sweetness in your brewing techniques? I'm all here for it. So let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.